How to receive vehicle. In Service tab, go to In Transit. After that, click In Transit, then Receive. Now select Vehicle Document and select Vehicle Key. Now click Mark as Received. You will get a notification of status updated successfully. How to service pre-check. In the Service Pre-Check tab, click Start Service Pre-Check. Now scroll down and set Service Pre-Check status to Completed. Upload vehicle's dashboard image. After that, click Complete. You will get a notification of Service Pre-Check added successfully. How to service assigned vendor. In Service tab, click down arrow. Now click Pending. Scroll towards right and click Assign Vendor. Select Vendor and select To be delivered by. Now click Assign. Vendor will be assigned successfully. How to accept vendor's task. Click on your profile picture and click Show or Hide Task Details. Now click Vendor Tasks. Scroll towards right and click Assigned and click Accepted. It is successfully done. Now your service status is en route. How to receive vendor task. Go to Vehicle Delivery Tasks tab. Scroll towards right and click to Vendor, then click Received by Vendor. Your status will be updated successfully. How to complete vendor task. Inside Vendor Task tab, click Edit icon. Now check the completed task. Please write down service remarks. Now select vehicle images from your computer. Enter bill amount. Upload task bill. Check the mark as work completed and click Mark work completed. After all done, your task will be updated successfully. Here you can see the updated status. How to deliver task to dealership. Click Vehicle Delivery Task tab. Now click to Dealership and then Received by Dealership. Your status will be updated successfully. Here you can view it. How to see service task completed. In Service tab, click this little arrow. Now as you can see, services are completed. How to service post-check. In Service Post-Check tab, click Start Service Post-Check. Now click Pending and set it to Service Post-Check Completed. Now select Vehicle Images and click Complete. You will get a notification of Service Post-Check completed. Now as you can see, is completed. How to add vehicle parts. Click Add Vehicle Parts. Now select Parts. Now enter Purchased from. Enter quantity. Enter cost per unit. Write your description. Now please upload parts reference image. After that, select part invoice. After all done, click Add. Now your part is added successfully. How to order and receive parts. Under Vehicle Parts tab, click View Parts and click Not Ordered and select Order. You will get a notification of task successfully done. Now you may click Order, then click Receive and click Mark as received. You will get a notification of status updated successfully. How to issue vehicle parts. Under Vehicle Parts tab, click View Stock Parts. After that, select VIN number. Then select Parts. You can add multiple parts. After checking all the remaining panels, click Submit. You will get a notification of parts sold successfully. How to view sold parts. In the Vehicle Parts tab, click View icon. Now click this downward arrow. Here you can view your sold vehicle parts.